What's happening YouTube? My name's Nick and welcome to the very first episode of East Coast RC. The whole idea behind East Coast RC is to get beginner pilots into this fantastic hobby. It's all about choosing the right plane, it's all about choosing the right location to fly that plane, and it's about how do you get into it without having to worry about huge expenses. So there's many ways of doing this, but I'm going to try and give you guys the quickest way to get into the air without having to feel pressure of crashing or damaging any kind of planes. The biggest worry I think a lot of guys have, and I know I had it in the beginning, was if I crash my plane, it'll turn into confetti when it hits the ground and I might lose a few $1,000. But that actually wasn't the case when I really did a bit of searching on the internet, finding the right sort of plane that would work for me, doing a lot of research as to what is the hardiest plane, what is the one that I can really give a good beating to and still put it up back into the air. And the interesting thing is, it was very simple. Certain planes that are made of EPO foam, which is really hardy, they have little electric motors in them, they go up, they go down, it's really fantastic. Guys, it is not at all difficult to get into this hobby, and I want to show this to you. I actually want to show you the fun that you can have as an absolute novice, never touching the sticks of a remote control ever. I'm one of those guys. It took me quite a while to actually decide, do I want to fly fixed wing, do I want to fly helicopters, drones, whatever the case may be, and I chose fixed wing. And I thought, wow, a helicopter can hover, you know where it is, a fixed wing can fly, and it doesn't stop. And that's what freaked me out until I found the right plane. So guys, I want to take you through this whole beginner series and show you the right kind of planes to use in the right environments, and sizing is always a big issue. Not all of us have huge runways and fields that we can go fly. Some of us in the built up areas of cities, we have fields, parks, that kind of thing, and that's where you want to be able to be geared to fly. But obviously there is a restriction on size of your wings, and you need to know what planes are allowed to be flying in what areas. So guys, follow me. I'm going to take you through the next good few episodes, and we're going to look at what planes are good to start with. And yes, we're going to slowly progress, and we'll do it together. And when I mean me, just me on my own, no, well, you guys as the viewers. And guys, in order to make this possible, please hit the like button and subscribe just below. And I promise you, I'm going to bring you the most fantastic kind of planes, and we'll link everything of how to find the plane, where to buy it from, and how to get it. It is as easy as anything. I personally use banggood.com. I've bought a few planes from them now. You're going to see all of them as we go through, and more that'll be on the way. Guys, I am so excited to do this. I really think this is going to be fantastic, and for all of you who are wanting to get into the hobby but don't quite know what to do, follow, subscribe, and you'll see exactly how easy it is. Guys, wait for my next episode where we're going to put our first plane up into the air. I'm Nick, cheers.